Chief Justice Satyusi Perese has dismissed the application by the Human Rights Protection Party for an interim order to halt the implementation of the 1 million Tala District Development Project. HRPP applied for two interim orders, one to stop the implementation of the project and the other to halt the appointment of the District Council chairpersons. In passing judgment, the court pointed out several areas that they took into account. One is the application for a judiciary review of the government's decision, which HRPP believed was biased. Two, the balance of convenience, which includes halting the project. However, the court said that halting the project will have a great impact on financial accessibility, as expected by the community through the project. Chief Justice Perese said the District Development Project Manual is a living document and is the framework for the guidelines and policies of the project by the government. He then highlighted the separation of power between the judiciary and government. While the court has authority to rule on almost anything, there are matters that the court has no power to rule or review. On that note, the application for two interim orders are dismissed and for both parties involved to prepare for the substantive hearing of the motion. For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamo.com. This is Chini Benehuro of Talamo Media.